Hello, y'all on YouTube. This is Rob the Rob's Nerdy Knives. Today we have a very special unboxing. Something that came in from, let's see, Keith Griffin. So Griffin Company out of Canada. Today I'm opening up with my TW Price design, the Dawn. This is the version 2, the liner lock. Awesome little knife. Let's see what we got in here today. He is coming out, by the way, with the Dawn version 3. Keep an eye out for that. All right, so Griffin. Let's see here. Does it say anything on here? No. So here we go. Let's find out what we got in here today. Pretty excited about this one. Ooh, nice box. I'll put this off to the side. There you go. A nice big old patch here. That's cool. Griffin established 2015. Nice little case. We have here. We have the X series. And we've got stickers. This is the finishes. MagnaCut. Light stone washed. Carbon fiber. Light stone washed for the bolster and scales. This is the X series. Then we got a little Griffin sticker. Keep hold of that. Ooh, got extra hardware and look at that, caged bearings and stuff like that. I'll probably put in skiffs in anyways. And then we have a nice little sticker with the carbon fiber one. Here we go. All right, let's take a look at this guy. Let's see what we think. Put that off to the side. So this is the Griffin X series, carbon fiber. You can see that, bolstered, nice. Pocket carry clip, look like hidden hardware. Nice all the way around. How are we feeling on the edges? And a little sharp on the edges. We'll see how that works out. I'm not a fan of sharp edges. These are pretty sharp. We'll have to see about that. I don't know. All right, nice big hollow grind, beautiful drop point, almost a spear point, if you will. But it's really more of a drop point. We've got a nice frame lock, good engagement, up 20-30%. Nice cutaway, nice chamfering across there, easy access. Let's see how that action is. Oh, action's beautiful. Let's see how that fuller works. Oops, I didn't get my finger in there. Let's try it again. There we go. A little bit better. All right, so let's see, left-handed with the bolster. Nice, works really well. Thumb in there, works really well. Let's see. Oh, it's nice and tuned, I will tell you that. Let's see, how's that going? That action's pretty nice. All right, so it catches right here. I like that. So you can definitely, let's see, where's the clutch? You clear the clutch right there. Definitely past the clutch there, so no double clutch. Top flipper works really well. Can I do it over the top? I can. I got short fingers, but I can definitely reach it. That is nice. Nice jimping all the way across. A little jimping here and here, so you can definitely do a nice choke up position. Nice big hands. It's a little sharp on the edge. I'm kind of disappointed about that. Now, being that this is carbon fiber, I can chamfer that. Being that this is stone washed, I don't know if I can chamfer that. That would stand out a little bit, but that is really sharp. It's kind of a disappointment there, I would have to say. They did take it off there, so that's good. Love the chamfering. Cutaway there is really nice. Let's see, how's the lockup? Nice and solid. Any pivot lash? No. Let's listen to the detent. Nice clickety. Any detent lash? No, no detent lash. Let's listen to that again. All right, there is a lanyard, kind of a little cutaway there in the back spacer. Hidden hardware. Let me see. Let me do a little squeeze test on that. It feels a little sharp around there, a little. It is rounded. It's not as smooth as maybe I would like it. Man, if this was just a little more polished, I might just blow that away and polish that up so that I can soften that, because that is, that's sharp. Yeah, this is a potential to be a really nice knife. I'm going to round this and probably round that a little bit. It's going to take a little bit of work. It's going to be risky, and you know, I like the action though. That action's really nice. All right, so let's feel that nice cutaway. Okay, I mean, nice hollow grind. Comes to a nice thin pokey tip. Oh, it's a very thin tip. You don't want to be doing any sort of prying with that, but definitely great for getting into boxes. Cat food, dog food, mulch, fertilizer. Letters, envelopes, boxes, definitely easy to get in there. It is nice. I like the chamfering. It's nice and rounded on top. Nice, thick, heavy-duty blade. I'm going to guess that's 0.12, 120, 130 thousandths of an inch. Probably will measure it when we do the full thing, review. I like MagnaCut. And there is the Griffin Company, right? So nice, nice. Do like that. All right, that's really cool. I do like that a lot. All right, so definitely lots of room up here for presentation. I got extra room. I have large hands with meaty fingers, so extra large hands with normal fingers. Double extra large hands with thinner fingers would be like this. You definitely have enough for extra large hands, double extra large hands, even with meaty fingers. And then if you choke up, really big hands. So that is nice. I think somebody would really enjoy that. That action is superb. That action is really superb. Now, part of me says, that's so good. Let's just leave it. Let's not put skiffs in there. But you know me. I think skiffs, I would definitely notice. Yeah, I like the fact that it's bolstered, so you can definitely get in there, do a nice reverse flick, that's for sure. That works really well. And then you can go around and do the side finger flick. That's really nice. You can always get the finger up on top. That's really cool. It's a little easy for me to get this. You can. It's hard, though. I don't have long enough fingers. If you've got longer fingers, you could probably do that over the top reach. The clip is nice. I'm just surprised with the sharp edges. I don't know if that would add a lot of cost, but to me, that's worth it, especially right here. Because if you use this knife for any extended period of time, that's going to dig in a little bit. To me, it's a small aesthetic. Some people don't care, especially if you've got big old calloused hands, you know. And if that's your market, you know, you have a limited market. You're not thinking about maybe the everyday average guy who... All right, we're back. Sorry, got interrupted by a phone call. As I was saying here, nice sharp edges. It's really frustrating unless you do, you know, masonry, carpentry, different things like that. You've got thick calluses, you don't feel that. But I'll tell you, after a lot of work, those edges will start digging into gloves, into other things, if this becomes like a hard use knife. Now, it's carbon fiber, titanium scales, frame lock, bolstered frame lock. Nice weight relief, by the way, inside. I did notice that. That's really, really nice. I do dig that. Yeah, that's cool. That's cool. Looks like the scales do come off, 2 screws. Are they T8s? I think they are. Let's check that out just for fun. All right, so today I have T8 bit, Weha bits. I do recommend them. Let's take a look. Nice T8s, yeah. Okay, let's see, is the pivot T8? Yeah, how about this over travel stop steel bar insert? Yeah, it definitely is. Very nice. Not bad at all. I'm very much digging this. Very, very much digging this. This is pretty nice. Wow. Okay, I like that really flat, thin frame. Very, very pokey tip. Got to be careful with that tip. Oh my gosh, that is such a thin tip there. Oh, I can feel that. Yeah, at some point you could easily break that, so be careful. That is a super, super thin tip. Now it is nicely protected. Let's see here. Yeah, definitely protected. Not best blade to handle ratio. I think, you know, it's a little bit, I'm going to say about ½ an inch there. We got, no, about 1/4 of an inch, maybe 1/3 of an inch there of extra. But, you know, it does allow pretty deep carry, relatively deep carry for hidden hardware. So that's not bad at all. Pretty cool. Still, man, they really like the edges on this thing. Sorry. For me, that kind of bugs me. It bugs me, such a premium, beautiful knife. This beautiful marble carbon fiber, nice stone washed everywhere. I do like a stone washed. And it's almost like a little polished stone washed. I do like that. Some people aren't fans. I am, because you can do more hard use with it. But you got to be careful. Let's see that edge. How sharp is that? That is pretty sharp. Yeah, pretty sharp. I can definitely shave there. I love the action. Really, really nice. All right, so that's a first impression. It's not a review. It's just a first impression unboxing, kind of getting my first hands on this thing. I'm going to be up in the air whether I'm putting skiffs in there. I may, but I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Right now, that action is really good. This might be one of those where I may not need skiffs. I don't know. I don't know. I can tell you the Sweeney, that one didn't need skiffs. That was interesting. But this one, we'll have to take a look. Pretty cool. Pretty cool knife. I do like it a lot. Action's really, really great. All right, so let's take a look. Do a nice little close-up so you guys can see. I'll zoom in. There's that beautiful hollow grind. You can see that with a Griffin, very minimal logo. Nice captive pivot over here. Love that hollow grind. Now, just so you can see how thin that tip is, look at that. That is a very, very thin tip there. See that? Super thin. I mean, it's super, it almost feels like cut and slice, like, yeah, super thin. And then we've got this beautiful back spacer back here. You can see this hidden lanyard loop. So, and here's the scale that's laid on top with the T8 screws and the captive pivot. Let's look at the back here. Now, it is a really big clip. It's a long clip. I wish that clip was maybe about right here. That would, for me personally, I'm not a huge clip fan. I don't like them super long. I like the hidden hardware. That's nice. I wish, again, some of the rounded would really be nice. And then you can see here's the frame lock, bolstered frame lock behind the scale, which is nice. steel bar insert over travel stop. You can see that right there. There's the chamfering on the frame lock, which is nice, easy access. Look at all the weight relief on the inside, along with carbon fiber scales. Does take a lot of weight away. And there's the pivot with a nice pivot collar. There's the back of the blade, and there you can see the magnet cut. Very, very minimalistic. I do like that. Not a lot of billboarding. I do appreciate that. There's that hollow grind again with that super thin tip coming out. You can get an idea how thin this is by seeing that tip up there. Pretty ridiculous, if you ask me. All right, so let's zoom back out. If I can, try that again. All right, so let's take a look at that. Here you are in all its glory in the knife. You see that? Beautiful. Nice frame. I love that carbon fiber on there and that nice hollow grind. I think it's just simply gorgeous. All right, let's look at the back here. You can see that beautiful hollow grind with that nice, beautiful bolstered frame lock there. I think that's really nice. I do think that's pretty cool. What do y'all think? Yeah, I don't know. What are y'all thoughts on this? Love to hear your all's thoughts on this one. Yeah, I did cut my finger a little bit, so I'm trying to hide that. That's gross, right? Yeah, that was on my brand new Quiet Carry Rincon. Man, that was such a slicer, and I bet this feels like it would be too. So very cool. That action is just really nice. Look at that, right out of the box. Whoa, that's just nice. Really, really nice. Digging that. All right, there you go. That is the Griffin. Why are we not focusing? Why are we not focusing? There we go. That was weird. All right, so the Rincon, not Rincon, sorry. Totally got just the X series. The X series by Griffin Company. Cool little knife, carbon fiber inlays, magnet cut steel. I believe they were shooting for 62-63, if I'm not mistaken. Does it say on here? I don't know if it does, but that's what I read online, was 62-63. Beautiful hollow grind. Love the bolstered carbon fiber. I think that's pretty cool. Pretty cool. All right. Hey, what do y'all think? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Any questions you have for the review, let me know. Hey, if you found this content fun, interesting, worthwhile, or informative, would you please hit that like button down below? And if you've already hit that like button, would you please consider hitting the subscribe button? Subscribing and liking the videos really helps out the channel, allows the channel to produce more content, do more things, ultimately do more things for you guys. So thank you. Thank you to everyone who watches the videos, who likes the videos, who subscribes, who enjoys the live streams. I appreciate you guys so very much. Thank you. I sincerely appreciate you. If you haven't already, hit that notification button so you can be notified of future content like this video. And then also a big thank you to all my channel members out there. I sure appreciate you guys out there. Thank you. You allowed this channel to do things more quickly, sooner than I ever thought I ever could. So I am grateful to you guys. Thank you. I appreciate you. And if you've been interested and you're on the fence and you thought, hey, I'd like to become a channel member, I would be honored. I would love to have you. Check out the description down below. There's a link for 3 different tiers. Be honored with anything you'd want to do. Please don't ever feel obligated to ever be a channel member. I appreciate you just being here, watching the content, enjoying it, liking the videos, and being on the live stream. I appreciate that so very much. But if you want to be a channel member, I would be honored. And it's a small way for me to say thank you. I do a once a month members exclusive giveaway. Usually make it a really nice knife because people have been so generous with the membership. So it's my way to say thank you to you guys out there. And then also, I also like to give brand new channel members a sticker, my way to say thank you. So if you're a brand new channel member, email me with your name and address. I'd love to mail you a sticker. Small way for me to say thank you. If you've been a member for a while and you haven't asked me for a sticker and you're a member right now, email me as well. I'd love to send you a sticker as well. If you were a member and recently became a member again and you never asked for a sticker either, as long as you're a member right now, email me too with your name and address. I'd love to mail you a sticker. It's my small way to say thank you. And then finally, if you haven't already, check me out over on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Again, that's on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day and a great week.